Hi guys, and welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me, and we are going to make some amazing saltfish rundown together. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. To a pot I'm going to add some water, and I'm going to go ahead and boil my salt mackerel for roughly about 3 times. I'm going to boil it until most of the salt is boiled out. And what you want to do, you just want to rinse it under some cold running water and just pick it up nicely. So I added some oil to my pot, allow it to hot, and then I'm going to go in and add some chopped vegetables. Now I'm going to add some onion, scallion, thyme. I will also add some bell peppers. I will also add a piece of scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic. Now I'm gonna go in and add some paprika, and I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And no, we're not going to add any powdered seasoning to this. The salt mackerel is already salty, and even though we boil it out, you know, some of the salt still gonna remain in it, so we don't want to add any salt to that. Now I have some coconut milk that I'm gonna add to this, and I like my vegetables a little bit crunchy, so what I did, I just turned my stove on medium heat. So once I add the coconut milk, we're just gonna combine everything together and allow it to come to a boil for roughly about 5 minutes, because we want the coconut milk to cook as well. And then we're going to add the salt mackerel. You want to ensure that you remove all of the bone, the fine bone from the salt mackerel before you go ahead and add it, all right? So once it's nicely boiled down, this is what it looks like. And it's going to have a little bit of thick consistency. So now we're going to go in and add the salt mackerel. Once you add the salt mackerel, again, you just combine everything well. And this is very quick and easy, very simple. The entire family will love it. You can serve it up with some dumpling and some banana, some yum, whatever you have at home. So once you allow everything to cook down nicely for roughly another 3 minutes, I will come back and show you guys the final product. So stay tuned for all of that goodness, for this amazing salt mackerel rundown, which is quick and easy. The family will love it, and this is the final product. So again, enjoy. Your family will love it. Serve it up with some hot boiled dumpling, and I do have the recipe on my channel, so I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think.